Hi everybody, I'm back with another CCNA lab session, and today we're going to see how we can do dynamic routing with OSPF. And the CCNA covers only single area OSPF, so we will also be doing the lab session for single area OSPF network. So for OSPF I have selected the same diagram as it was in the previous lectures, and I have already done the network up. The links are up and working, and yet again the links to both the network diagram and the video on how to get the links up will be added in the description of the video. So there are only slight differences of OSPF from RIP if you have followed the last lectures, and the differences are that we have to give a process ID while configuring OSPF, and also an area ID. Since it's a single area, so we will only be dealing with a single area network. And again, we will start by testing that if we can access others 50.1, and as you can see the destination host is unreachable. So after we are done with the routing, we can access that. So let's go and do routing. So enable mode, and then the configuration terminal mode, and then after that you can do show IPRO to show the IP routing table, and then check if there are any IP protocols working. Since there are no protocols working, so we will give router OSPF, and as I said, we have to give a process ID, so give it an ID 1 for example. So this will be an OSPF 1. The process ID is just a requirement, it doesn't have any significance. Okay, so now let's start advertising. The difference here from RIP is also that in RIP we just advertise the networks, but in OSPF we have to advertise the networks with wildcard masks. The wildcard mask is, in short words, the reverse of a subnet mask. Okay, this gives information about the number of bits, the number of host bits. Okay, while the subnet mask gives the number of network bits. So we will start by advertising net 1.0.0.0, and we will reverse the subnet mask to make the wildcard mask. The wildcard mask is necessary for OSPF. Okay, so the subnet, the wildcard mask will be 0.255.255.255. Okay, and then at the last the area, and since it's a single area, the area will be the same for all the networks. So there goes our first route. Then we will choose the second one, 3.0.0.0, 0.255.255.255 area 1. Then the last network. Okay, so 50.0, and it will be 0.0.0.255 area 1. Okay, so there goes the routing, and the routing is done with OSPF. And if you go do show IPRO, again like RIP, and there will only be 3 entries for now, but this will be populated as we do routing on the other routers. So go on B, go to the configuration terminal mode, do show IPRO, do show IP protocols, no protocols, so run OSPF, and we can give the process ID the same process ID. As I said, it doesn't have any significance, but we just have to mention it, so we can do that OSPF 1, and then we will start advertising network 1.0.0.0.0 .255.255.255 the wildcard, and then area 1. Sorry. Okay, the area should be same in the network. The process ID doesn't matter, but the area ID does matter, so the area ID should be the same. Then net, and there you go, one route has been complete. You can see, sorry, so do network 2.0.0.0 0.255.255.255, and then area 1. And now the last network, net 200.100.100.0, and then 0.0.0.255, area 1. And there goes the routing, and if you can see, there was one route complete, so there would be some entries. There you go, 2 entries with an O, that is for OSPF. Okay, so now let's go to router C and advertise its network IDs. Go to enable mode, configuration terminal mode, do show IP arrow to show the routing table, do show IP protocols to no protocols, run OSPF with the process ID 1, start advertising 2.0.0.0, and then 0.255.255.255 wildcard mask, and then area 1. Okay, then network, and there you go, another entry, network 3.0.0.0 0.255.255.255, and then area 1. And after that, advertise the last one, 200.100, and have to do it again because of the message, 200.100.150.0 and 0.0.0.255, just wildcard mask, and then the area. And there you go. And if you see, do show IP arrow, there would be 6 entries. There you go, 3 with O and 3 directly connected. And if you verify from router B, it will also be the same, to show IP arrow. There you go, there are 6 entries, 3 with O and 3 directly connected. And if you go to the last E, IP arrow, there goes 3 with an O, 3 with C. So these are the router IDs. So now if we go to that again, PC0, and we start ping, the first will be lost because it's the first time, like always, and the next comes. And if we want to ping 200.100.1, same, the first will be lost because it's the first time, but the next will be, yeah, there you go. And again, if you 2.0.0.0, because this is not directly connected also, there will be reply from there. So in this way you can configure OSPF, a single area OSPF that is covered in CCNA, and you can do routing dynamically in no time. OSPF is better than RAIP, but it's a little bit hard to configure because of some extra things that are included in OSPF, but OSPF is better than RAIP. So that will be all for today. Take care and bye.